campaigns about stopping or preventing bullying as a peace partner. Guys, si Noan.
Look at him, always eager like he wants the outcome. Maybe it makes him it's so holy, right?
I'm just doing what I love. I like helping in church.
Wow, Saint Miguel, do you even do anything normal?
Si Nito.
Ma, Gloria, when was this a faith too? If you have time to mock someone's love for God, maybe it's time to listen to confession. But then bring it to God.
Safety, confession.
Foreshadowing na ba ito? Claire? Foreshadowing.
Sin 4.
Again, I looked and saw all the oppression that was taking place on his side. I saw the tears of the oppressed, and they have no comfort. Power was on the side of their oppressors, and they have no comfort. And I declare that the dead, who had already died, are happier than the living, who are still alive. But better than both is the one who has never been born, who has not seen the evil that is done under the sun. And I saw that all toil and all achievement spring from one person's enemy to of another. This too is meaningless, a chasing after the wind. Fools hold their hands, and dip and ruin themselves. Better one handful with tranquility than two handfuls with toil and chasing after others. Again, I saw something meaningless under the sun. There was a man all alone. He had neither son nor brother. There was no end to his toil. Yet his eyes were not content with his wealth. For who am I toiling? He asked. And why am I depriving myself of enjoyment? This too is meaningless, a miserable business. Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Thanks be to God. Mali pala guys. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
The Lord is close to the brokenhearted.
Thanks be to God.
The Lord is close to the brokenhearted, and those who are crushed in spirit He saves. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted, and those who are crushed in spirit. This poor man cried, and the Lord heard him and saved him from all his troubles. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. The Lord upholds all who are fallen, and raises up all who are bowed down.
The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Hallelujah. A reading from the Gospel according to Matthew. If anyone causes one of these little ones, those who believe in me, to stumble, it would be better for them to have a large millstone hung around their necks, and to be drowned in the depths of the sea. Woe to the world because of the things that cause them to suffer. Such things must come, but woe to the person through whom they come. The word of the Lord. Please be seated. Brothers and sisters, empathy is the foundation of human connection. It is the foundation of human connection because it builds trust. It fosters understanding and encourages compassion. If we think it clearly, it's what God did to us. Empathy. Seeing through another's heart, seeing through another's eyes. There is a word that challenges empathy. It's bullying. When we bully someone, we eliminate and blind ourselves to the hardships